Why can't AI learn like we do? Well, this groundbreaking paper on nested learning might just have the answer.
So, let's dive into what this paper is all about.
See, AI has a huge problem. It can't learn new stuff without wiping out the old.
It's a kind of digital amnesia, and they call it catastrophic forgetting. It's a massive roadblock.
We thought AI depth was just about stacking layers. Turns out, nested learning shows us that's an illusion.
The real secret isn't space, it's time. True depth comes from how fast different parts of the model learn.
This means architecture and the learning process are basically one and the same, just working at different speeds.
So you get this cool hierarchy: fast loops for what's happening now, and slow loops for core knowledge.
And this isn't just theory. It's unlocking powerful new tools for building AI that can actually adapt.
It all leads to a model called HOPE. It manages its memory and even learns to modify itself. So we're talking about an AI that doesn't just learn facts, it's actually learning how to learn.
This is the future of engineering intelligence, a total game changer.